Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back here with this look, something simple. It didn't start off this way, but it ended this way. But I'm happy you guys are back. I'm happy you clicked on this video. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, connect with me down in that comment section. I'll write you back, I promise. Like I said before, I think I'm pretty cool, so now let's get into this video. Going into this first shade, this is going to be our transition shade. We're going to take this out of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. On a Morphe brush, I am going to leave all of the brushes that I'm using down in the description bar. Then I'm going to go into the Makeup Geek eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Morocco. And I'm just going to use that as my second transition shade, blending it further with the same brush and bringing it a little lower into the brow bone area. As you can see here, I had an eye going on already that I did before turning on my camera, but I was not feeling it. And I was just looking back and forth like, do I like this or do I not? And I decided that I did not like it. So I'm just going to use all of these shades that I did on the other eye, and I decided to just change the shade, the color of the lid, and the whole look of the lid. So we're going to go into this androgyny palette, and we're going to take the shade Fetish, and we're going to further deepen up that crease with this shade. Going back into the androgyny palette, I'm going to take the shade Poison, and I'm going to lay this in the crease. And the brush that I'm using is a Wet n Wild blending brush. It's a small, like, packing blending brush, and for $1, I have to say these brushes work well. As always, once you lay a color down, you always want to go back into the other brushes and other shadows to make sure that everything is blended together and seamlessly. Then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm going to get that dark green shade out of that palette, and I'm going to further lay this into the crease, into the outer V of my eye. And I'm using that same Wet n Wild brush. And then I'm going to go back into the Morphe brush just to reinforce the other shades and re-diffuse the shades. It's the same technique every time when you do your eyeshadow. If you've used a brush, you always want to go back with that same brush or the eyeshadow you used beforehand, just to make sure that everything is seamless and everything is blended out. Because you never want anybody to know where you started or where you finished. Taking a MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and I'm going to use this on my flower concealer brush, and I'm going to use this to just cut the crease. Once I cut the crease out and I have the line or where I wanted it to be, basically I went in with a bigger concealer brush that covered more space faster, which is this Wet n Wild larger concealer brush, and I'm just going to fill it in. Once I was done with making sure the surface of my eyelid and everything was nice and flat, I went into that Jaclyn Hill palette and I took that first like white eyeshadow. It's not white, but it looks like a cream shadow, and I just put that all over the lid. Going back into that Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take that dark green shade again, and I'm going to use it back with that Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just going to smudge out that demarcation line at the end of the outer V, and just making sure that everything is, like I said before, you know, blended well and you can't see where I start or I end. And voila, we're back with both of our eyes looking the same. We got rid of those bold, bright colors, those neon colors, and now we're back. So I'm taking the NYC liquid liner in black, and I am just going to create a wing. I am so happy that this liner is almost gone because I cannot wait to bust open my NYX matte lipstick liquid liner that I bought. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to bust it open because I'm not really a fan of this NYC liner like everybody else was raving about, but nah. And I didn't show, you know, completing the eye. I didn't show me doing the bottom lower lash line. I just used that turquoise color in that Jaclyn Hill palette, and I added that to the lower lash line just to give it a pop of color. And then I also put the shade Shpere. I think it's called Shpere. I will leave it down in the description bar. But I put that inside the inner corner of my eye. I basically just added a mix of medium, and then I put that lime green shadow in the inner corner to make it pop more. For mascara, I used the Maybelline Big Shot mascara, and then I'm using these Cocoa lashes in the style Soho to get the lashes right. You know, no look is complete without lashes, whether you have long natural lashes and you have mascara on, or you got to add some false lashes like me because my lashes struggle big time. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like this. I will try to do a look with the bright colors another time, but not this eye. Until next time, you guys, take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you would like to. That's fine with me. Until next time, you guys.